Hello. In this video I will be teaching you about atoms. An atom is the smallest piece that ordinary matter can be divided into. Atoms make up you and everything you touch. Let's talk about the structure of an atom. The example you see here is an oxygen atom. Atoms generally are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. As you can see, this oxygen atom has 8 protons, 8 neutrons, and 8 electrons. It is very common for an atom to have the same number of protons, neutrons, and electrons, but that is not always the case. The number of protons in an atom determines the atom's identity. Protons and neutrons have approximately the same mass, while electrons are about 2,000 times less massive. The center of an atom is its nucleus. The nucleus of an atom is where the protons and neutrons are. Outside the nucleus is the electron cloud. The electron cloud is where the electrons are. Many atom models show electrons to be orbiting the nucleus in a circular path, but in reality, electrons behave in much more complicated ways. We won't get into their exact behavior in this video. The electron cloud is broken up into shells. The innermost electron shell of an atom can only hold up to 2 electrons. Shells outside of that can hold up to 8 electrons. Even larger shells in much more massive atoms can hold up to 18 electrons. The outermost electron shell of an atom contains the atom's valence electrons. Valence electrons are very important. They determine how an atom will interact with other atoms around it. Thank you for watching this video lesson about atoms. If you enjoyed this video, please like, and if you would like to see more similar videos you should subscribe. Goodbye.